adventurers, welcome back. Over here at Wonder Off-Road, we like to bring you some great quality products, and we have a perfect one for you guys today, the PIttman 1.2 Series Rooftop Tent. This rooftop tent will transform any vehicle into a cozy, elevated campsite in minutes. With effortless setup and easy storage, you'll spend more time relaxing. Its durable, all-season construction keeps you comfortable and protected from the elements. Whether you're chasing sunsets, off-roading, or escaping the weekend, these rooftop tents will make the outdoors feel like home. So, the PIttman 1.2 Series soft shell side opening rooftop tent. I know it's a mouthful, yes. Well, this thing sets up easily in just minutes. It's all season, so it comfortably sleeps 2 people. And it has built-in heating and cooling ports. So you can use those with external heaters and coolers. It also has a built-in LED lighting. It also has large mesh windows to keep you cool, and an aluminum diamond-plated honeycomb flooring, which provides durability. It also is weatherproof and UV protected. It has a 320 grain ripstop polycotton tent blend with a blackout light suppression. It also has a high density, non-deforming foam mattress, which provides a comfortable night's sleep and includes a condensation pad under the foam mattress. It also comes with a premium 2.3 meter telescopic ladder with quick release connections. And it also includes a rainfly with a sky view roof. Opening size is 48.5 inches by 94 inches by 49.5 inches. The closed size is 49.25 by 49.25 inches by 12 inches. Currently, it comes in 2 colors, black with gray, and a desert color as well. The overall weight is 144 pounds, and this comes with a 2-year warranty. So here are my thoughts on the PIttman 1.2 Series Rooftop Tent. Well, the blackout material is phenomenal, guys. Having that really means that you can sleep in a lot longer while you're camping. No more worrying about the sun peering up over the horizon and just barely kissing your tent and lighting it all up. Now you can sleep in while you're out adventuring. Another thing that I did love is the built-in AC heater jacks on both sides. That way you can have a cool night or a warm night, whichever you need for your adventure. So it really helps out with that kind of, comfort when you're out there on the road. Next thing that could use some improvement is the mattress. Now, if you like a firm night's rest, this mattress is perfect for you then. But for me, I'm a little more delicate on the sides, so I prefer a softer mattress. So if that's your case, I'd recommend getting a mattress topper to help increase your comfort for overnight use of this tent. But overall though, this is the best purchase you could make from PIttman Outdoors, guys. You can purchase this one at PittmanOutdoors.com and use promo code WONDER for 15% off your order. And if you like this content, please subscribe, guys. I can bring you more just like it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. And remember, guys, with Wonder Off-Road, you can't go wrong with that.